Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have new easy 3D toppers for you, so let's get started. Today I'm sharing with you 3 easy 3D topper packs. I counted I have over 40 different Christmas topper packs in my shop, so there are so many and I only will be able to show you a few over the next few weeks. So please go online and check. I'm sure there is something that you would like. But today I will share with you the Floral Winter Village, and this is brand new from, of course, Heartycrafts. And you see these beautiful village designs adorned with Christmas greenery or snowmen. How cute is that? And they come, as you know, in a 10 pack, and each of these embellishments is individually packed in these little cellophane bags and have 2 steps. So there is the base piece and then 2 layers on top that you can layer with foam pads to make them dimensional. The next one I have is Christmas Feeling, and it has all these beautiful decorations here, a candle, a birdhouse, Santa reading the list, greenery, an embellishment, a bauble, more Santa here with a reindeer. So beautiful. This is a snow globe. Yeah, brand new. Here it is. And then the last one, I have greenery here, winter flowers, and these come in this beautiful half circle. And look how gorgeous they are with some snow on it here and all these Christmas flowers, the rose, and then of course the beautiful poinsettia. Just gorgeous. Now let me show you what I have created. Start with this gorgeous Christmas ornament. Now it has this gold shimmer. This is a beautiful embossed type of embellishment because it has lightly glitter on it, so it has this embossed feel. Beautiful greenery on here. The only thing I added to this embellishment is a little silver heart that I had laying around. But as for the background paper, because it is a busy background paper, I used the new double design papers. Also from, it's not Heartycrafts, but you can see it is kind of the same company. In Germany, they call themselves Ideen mit Herz. So that's ideas from the heart. And for the English version, they call it Heartycrafts. It is the same company and the same designers. But these I brought back from Germany. I have 2 right here for Christmas. And a couple of weeks ago, I introduced you to the fall pack. Beautiful papers. There are 20 cardstock papers in each of these packs. The dimensions are a little different than what we are used to. They are 25 by 25 centimeters. So that's about 10 by 10. It's a little bit off by, I don't know, 10 2/8 of an inch. But it's, so that you know, it's about 10 by 10. And I have the winter floristic, and I also have the Christmas time. And this is what I used. Now, we can look through one really quick because I do want to show you what I have created. But let's go through the Christmas time. So you have 20 papers in here, and each is in here twice. But just look. I don't need to say anything. This is just cardstock. Absolutely beautiful. Double printed. So you have this gorgeous print on the back. Here we have angels. Love the blue. All in a shabby chic design. And on the back you have this beautiful marble. Flowers. Gorgeous. Look at the colors. White roses with snowflakes. So I just love this cardstock. It's just gorgeous. Bigger angels in amongst the poinsettia. Let's see, was that the same? Yeah. And then another flower background. It's got a Christmas tree here. All these sentiment prints in the back. Some lace. Just gorgeous. Look at this. Christmas lilies. I love the different colors too. So you could even make a purple Christmas card. Again, gorgeous roses, but all with a Christmassy background. Looks like there's snow here. Just wonderful. Beautiful blue in the back. More Christmas stars. So you have again 20. Now this is what I have used here for this card. I used one of the papers, and you can see the little bit of the even the lace background here, and then I turned it around. This is the back of the paper to make another panel for my embellishment, and then I outlined it with these micro glitter stickers. Now those I also have in my shop. There are styrofoam, and these are, and you can see how glittery they are. So these are the micro glitter stickers. I will link them below. So they're not holographic, they're actually glittery, and it's all baked in, so it's nothing comes off. And then I had these two little holly pieces here from one of the sticker packs. That's the relief sticker packs. The Christmas relief sticker packs had all these little embellishments, and I still had them laying around, so that's what I used here. And then yeah, oh, and here I have Peace on Earth. That is actually a sticker that I carry in my shop in silver and in gold. Those are embossed stickers, and it says Peace on Earth and Christmas Blessings. Okay, my first card. Now let's look at the second card. Here I have, look at this. I mean, it's just, to me, this is just gorgeous. This beautiful church, all snowed in, couple of Christmas bells. Again, I used the background paper from the paper pack. And doesn't it look lush and rich and elegant? By the way, the card blanks, I had them for the longest time. These are actually in this foam green color. They are from Michael's. I had them laying around for several years, and now I have used them up. Didn't think I'm going to use them for Christmas. I thought these are maybe more for Easter, but yeah, they worked out for Christmas too. So I have them as a background. Because they're green inside, I have added a writing panel inside, so that you don't have to write on the green. Now remember, these cards will be up for grabs in my shop. If you are interested, I offer them in value packs. Now here is this gorgeous embellishment. I laid a metallic piece of cardstock behind it. So the Merry Christmas again is a stickers that I have in my shop. Here I use the red Merry Christmas. They come in several colors, but I also have them in 5 packs. This is a value pack. Here it says Season's Greetings in blue, gold, green, silver, and red. Or you can get single sheets with just Merry Christmas on there, also in several colors. I will link it below, and I used it right here. Added a couple of red bling. Oh, and then another very elaborate border sticker here. So this is again the what do you call it now? The micro glitter. But this sticker here is also from a sticker pack, a value pack that comes in those same colors: red, gold, blue, silver, and green. And it has these very elaborate borders. Look at that, beautiful. And here is just one of them. Doesn't it look lush? Okay, so that was my second card. Now we go into the flowers. Now what I have done here is, again, I used the flower background from the paper pack, and then one of these beautiful embellishments from the winter flowers, right? So they are quite big. Let's see how big they are. So from corner to corner there are 5 inches. So these are really excuse me, really big embellishments. And I thought they would just go perfect with these brand new stickers that I have, and these are called double embossed sentiment stickers, and I'll show those to you in a minute. So I have this beautiful sentiment here on the front of my card with this gorgeous flower arrangement. I added again one of these borders here. Look how elaborate this looks. And that's my card. That's all it is. It is very dimensional, but doesn't it look lush? Now these stickers, again, they're new to my store. They come in big sticker sheets like these. So they call themselves double embossed transparent stickers. Okay, now I have 3 for Christmas with the sentiments. So you can read it right here, that you can use for the inside of your card or the outside of your card. And this is how they come. So you can see they are see-through, and they're beautifully embossed with this gilded paint and very sticky. So you can just peel them off, add them to some background, and then you have this gorgeous, looks like a beautiful gilded print on your card. There is a second one that I have right here, and again these are quite big. So one of these embellishments are, let's see, 2 inches and 3/4 by 3.5 inch. 3.5 inch, there we go. So these are big. You can like I did here, put them on the outside of the card, or of course you can add them for the inside. And I also have one in silver, so if gold is not your thing, there is one that comes in silver, and each of them has these 6 different sayings in there. Now I also offer these for every day. I have gold and silver here for on your birthday and heartfelt wishes. So these are also available. And a couple of sayings for all year long for a friend. So I'm going to link these below because they are new to my shop but available at this point. All right, now let's move on. Here is my next card. Again, I used one of these beautiful flower arrangements and a background paper from my pack. Again, a little bit of some metallic paper to set it off. Now, Michaels right now has these big packs of metallic paper in different colors. So you can buy them in silver and gold and pink and blue, I think. So, but of course you get a full pack, and I don't know how many sheets are in there of this metallic pack. I still have in my store, if you're interested, a couple of these packs with metallic cardstock in there. They have 5 colors in here. There is a purple, there is gold, a green, a silver, and a red with different, basically with different designs. If you like to get these, if you don't have them in your stash, I think on the cards they just look quite nice. And I added a Merry Christmas here, which is a sticker. And my next 2 cards, you will see how I also used the background here. I like that. I punched out just a star to edit Of course, here are the border stickers, and I still need to put a panel in here. Now here's my next card, and I used a candle right here from the Christmas feeling. There is this gorgeous candle, and look at how it is all decked out here with an ornament, orange, even cinnamon sticks, a delicious cookie, flowers, just wonderful. And I repeated myself here. I used one of these beautiful long borders, and here again I used a blue metallic background, and this is how it sets it off. And here I used the paper with the angels on it. Now I kind of covered the angels up because that wasn't part of my card, but everything else looks through. So you got the flowers here, and of course the script. So it's just beautiful. And there is my card. All right. And so I made these 5 cards, and then I made a smaller card. This is an A2 card. And here again, I have this beautiful blue metallic background. I had this little bit left, so that's why I made that smaller card. I had this piece of cardstock left, and I wanted to use it. Added this gorgeous church here with the snowman. Look, these embellishments are just so beautiful. And the Happy Christmas also comes from a sentiment sheet that I have in my shop, a few left, and these are from the Studio Calico, and this is all like little Christmas sentiments in red and also in this very light green with gold, with the gold print. And it's got all, this is the white print, and here this is the gold print. Frosty the Snowman, ornaments. So this is also great for journaling. No peeking, how cute is that? Or because they are so small, they're perfect for tags. But yeah, here it is, and it looks like a night sky, doesn't it? For this church and the snowman. So here it is. This is all I have for you today. My cards with the new Easy 3D toppers. There are so many other beautiful toppers to come. I can't wait to craft with them. I know there will be gorgeous gnomes that I have already posted on my website. Check them out, but I will make a video for sure. But this is all I have for you today. I hope you like these cards. If so, I would appreciate if you give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what was your favorite card or topper. And if you can, please share this video with your crafty friends and family. I would really appreciate the support. That's again all I have for you today. Please stay or get well, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.